Want brighter skin fast? This viral 3-ingredient mask lightens dark spots, fights acne, and gives you a dazzling glow naturally. No chemicals, no filters. Just watch the magic happen. Perfect for all skin types. The ingredients you'll need: honey, wild turmeric, lemon juice. Here is how you can prepare this powerful face mask at home. Firstly, add 1 tablespoon of honey. Honey is a natural humectant that locks in moisture and gives your skin a radiant glow. Then, add half a tablespoon of wild turmeric powder. This miracle spice has anti-inflammatory and antibacterial properties. It helps fight acne, fades blemishes, and improves skin brightness. Finally, add 1 tablespoon of fresh lemon juice. It's packed with vitamin C, which helps lighten dark spots, acne scars, and dullness. Mix everything well to form a smooth golden paste. Gently apply this mask to your clean face. Leave it on for 10 to 15 minutes. Relax and let the natural ingredients work their magic. Rinse off with lukewarm water and pat your skin dry. You'll instantly notice softer, brighter, and more glowing skin. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more natural skincare videos, face mask recipes, and glow-up hacks. Share this video with anyone looking to whiten their skin naturally.